In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a certificate in Google Workspace. This is a relatively simple process, but following the steps carefully will ensure that you don't encounter any issues. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Devices menu. This is where you'll manage various device settings and network configurations. Click on Devices and a menu will expand, presenting you with several options. From there, locate and select Networks. This is important because networks are where the certificates are primarily used to secure communications and authenticate devices or services within your organization. Next, you want to locate where the certificates are stored or managed. You'll usually find this in a section distinctly labeled for certificates within the network settings. Once you've identified this area, look for the option that says Upload Certificate. It's usually a button or link. Give it a click. This action will prompt the system to open a window where you can upload new certificates. Now that you've accessed the upload prompt, it's time to enter the necessary details for your certificate. Start by specifying the name of the certificate you're about to upload. It's important to choose a name that is both descriptive and indicative of its purpose, as this will make it easier to manage and identify in the future. After you have filled in the name field, click the Upload button to begin the process of selecting your certificate file. A file browser window will pop up on your screen to allow you to select the certificate file from your local device. Navigate through your folders to find the certificate that you want to upload, then simply select it. Confirm that you've selected the correct file and proceed to upload it. Make sure that the file is in the correct format, and it's also essential to ensure that you have the right version for your intended use within Google Workspace. After you've uploaded the certificate file, there's usually one final step, hitting the Add button. This step is crucial as it effectively finalizes the integration of your certificate into Google Workspace. Without completing this step, the certificate may not actually be applied, which could lead to security gaps or issues in your network setup. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a certificate to Google Workspace. This may seem like a straightforward process, but each step plays an important role in maintaining the security and integrity of your network environment. Always ensure that you manage your certificates carefully, keeping them up to date and removing those that are no longer needed. This helps in maintaining a smooth operation and enhances the security posture of your organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides like this.